Shiba Inu whales just moved nearly $50 million in 72 hours, and that's not even the biggest shocker. A massive 78,000% burn rate explosion has lit up the charts. Supply is vanishing, and Shib is now testing a key price level that could trigger a breakout to 1,800 units. The big question, is this the start of Shib's next moonshot? So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any Shib tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news? And how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 13th of August, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,368 units. Shib's price is up 3% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $340 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $8 billion, ranking it as the 28th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind, these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. Shiba Inu sees 300% increase in big money transfers ahead of key Shib price test. On August 10th, the value of Shiba Inu transfers over $100,000 was about $18 million. By August 13th, it was close to $50 million per Into the Block. The surge happened quickly and without any major news announcements, and it happened when Shib's price was pretty much flat. For the most part, the token's price was between 1,260 units and 1,410 units. The only real move came late on August 12th, when the Shib price dropped to 1,262 units before bouncing back over 1,400 units in the early hours of the next day. That rebound happened at the same time as the jump in large transactions, which suggests that the drop was met with heavy buying from bigger investors rather than panic selling. High-value transfers like these usually mean one of two things: coins being sent to exchanges to be sold, or coins being moved into private custody. Shiba Inu Coin's price did not budge, but there was a surge in whale activity. So the second scenario seems more probable. If those funds are off exchanges, it reduces the immediate supply that can be traded, which can help keep prices supported. What's next for Shib Coin? The next few sessions will show if this activity was just a one-time thing, or if it is the start of something bigger. If we keep seeing large transactions each day over about $40 million, and the price can go up to between 1,450 units and 1,500 units, we will break through a ceiling that has been stopping every rally this month. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu resurrection possible after 30% new wallet inflow. Due in part to a noticeable increase in network activity, Shiba Inu has displayed indications of fresh bullish momentum. Between August 7th and 9th, the daily unique wallet count increased by about 30% from about 3,000 to almost 4,000. According to recent on-chain data. Even though this metric has since fallen back below 3,000, the brief spike is still noteworthy because it shows that new players are becoming interested in joining the Shib ecosystem. How fresh wallets help Shib? Such spikes in the creation of new wallets have historically occurred before levels of market activity have increased, which may supply the liquidity and trading volume required to maintain an upward trend. Technically speaking, Shib just broke above a rising trendline resistance that has served as a price ceiling for a number of weeks. An attempt by buyers to retake control of the market structure is suggested by this breakout. The 200-day EMA, which is currently serving as a potent resistance level, presents the next major obstacle. The door to additional gains may open with a clear close above this level. The 50-day EMA is getting closer to a bullish cross above the 100-day EMA, which increases the bullish potential. Bullish outlook. Given the current price direction, An additional 10% increase from current levels could trigger this crossover. A signal like this is usually seen as a medium-term bullish confirmation, which could draw trend-following traders and strengthen the upward trend. Nonetheless, a short-term risk is still there since the recent decline in unique wallet activity. Shib will probably require an additional surge in network activity and trading volume to validate the breakout if it hopes to sustain momentum. The move may stall at the 200 EMA in the absence of consistent participation, which could result in consolidation or a retracement. In conclusion, the recent increase in new wallet inflows and Shiba Inu's technical breakout offer a positive environment for a possible price recovery. Shib may signal the beginning of a longer-term uptrend if it can break through the 200 EMA and cause a bullish EMA crossover. Whether this recent resurgence gains enduring traction will be determined in large part by the upcoming sessions. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Shiba Inu's burn rate skyrockets by over 78,000%. Could this fuel a massive price surge? Shiba Inu has been making headlines with a dramatic surge in its burn rate, which has skyrocketed by an incredible 78,273.79% in just the past 24 hours. This massive increase in the burn rate comes at a time when Shiba Inu's price is also showing significant signs of recovery. Based on the SHIB statistics, 87,958,122 SHIB tokens have been burnt recently, substantially lowering the supply. This increased burning activity follows a significant 8% price increase, with Shiba Inu rising from a low of 1,271 units to a high of 1,398 units. This price movement has seen the Shiba Inu cross its 200-day simple moving average of 1,355 units, which is a positive sign of increased growth. The burn rate has made supply scarce, resulting in a deflationary impact and a rise in demand. A deflationary surge. Can the burn rate propel Shiba Inu to new heights? The increased burn rate is seen as a critical factor in Shiba Inu's deflationary model. It continuously reduces the total supply of the token, which could increase scarcity and potentially drive up its value. In the past 7 days alone, over 101 million SHIB tokens were burned, a 637.92% jump in the burn rate. Such constant deflationary pressure is attracting the interest of investors and traders, particularly with the coin still on a recovery path. With Shiba Inu's burn rate and price increasing, many are wondering whether the two may play together to cause an ideal storm that would see it break out even more. Should the price stay above 1,400 units, then it may get a push to 1,600 units or even 1,800 units. The increase in the burn rate, together with the growing momentum of price in Shiba Inu, shows the market's growing optimism. While the broader crypto market remains volatile, Shiba Inu's unique tokenomics and recent performance suggest that it could continue to attract investor interest. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of SHIB. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your SHIB holdings in the comment section below. Let's praise the SHIB holder for trusting and believing in the process. If you are enjoying the video, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your views on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.